If you're a lawyer looking to file your taxes easily, then this video is for you. As a lawyer, you can opt for presumptive taxation scheme and save taxes. But what exactly is presumptive taxation? Well, presumptive taxation scheme is a scheme that allows small business owners and professionals to declare a predetermined percentage of their revenue or turnover as profits. This means you don't really have to maintain the detailed record of every expense. As a lawyer, you can show your income as professional income if your revenue is up to Rs 50 lakhs under Section 44 ADA. And in the budget 2023, this limit was increased from Rs 50 lakhs to 75 lakhs. But this increase in limit is subject to a condition that 95% of the receipts must be either through online channels or banking modes. Now, to file your taxes easily on ClearTax, simply log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN card to prefill all your details and add your details. After that, head over to the income sources section and scroll down to professional, freelancing and business income section. Simply click on this first tab and add details like your profession type, revenue, expenses and other details. After adding all the details, click on continue. Once you have added the details, click on continue and proceed with completing your income tax return filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So that's how easy it is as a lawyer to file your taxes on ClearTax. So what are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now.